Student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Today topic is Roman numbers. Right? Student, which class you studied in last year? 4. We write 4 or 4. Which class are you studying in this year? Yes. 5 or 5. We write 5 or 5. Okay. 4, 5. These numbers are Indo-Arabic numeral. Right? But these numbers, can you guess? Yes. These are Roman numbers. We know that Roman numbers. Because in class 4, we write or reading and writing of Roman numbers. We learn about reading and writing of Roman numbers. Okay, up to 100. In this section, shall extend briefly and learning of reading and writing of Roman numbers up to 500. Okay, up to 500. Right, Roman numbers were introduced Roman empires. Then the 7 basic symbols are used to write the Roman numbers. That is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I indicate 1, V indicate 5 and X indicate 10. L indicate 50, C indicate 100 and D indicate 500, M indicate 1000. Okay student? Right. Rules of Roman numbers. Rules of Roman numbers. 4 types. There are 4 types. First one is, there are 4 types. First one is repetition, addition, subtraction between numbers. Repetition, addition, subtraction between numbers. Repetition of Roman numbers means addition. Repetition of Roman numbers means addition. For example, I. Here I indicate 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So I is equal to 2. Right. Another one example. X. Here X indicate 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay student. Another one example. C indicate 100. C is equal to 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Right? Okay. The next one is addition. Addition. Student, the smaller number written to right of the larger number. Smaller number written to right of the larger number is always added to larger number. Is always added to larger number. For example, look here, smaller number right of the larger number. Right. Here L, I. Here L indicate 50 and I indicate 1. So 50 plus 1, 51. Okay. Here V indicate 5 and I indicate 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay. Right. The next one is subtraction. Subtraction. The smaller number is written to the left of the larger number. Smaller number is written to the left of the larger number. Is always subtracted from larger number. Is always subtracted from larger number. Okay. For example, smaller number is left of the larger number. For example, here, what is this? We know that number 4 because here 1, we indicate 5 So subtracted from the larger number, that is 5 minus 1. Okay student, that is 5 minus 1. Another one example. Here x means 10 and C means, C indicate 100. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Okay student, 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Right. Student, the third rule is very important, because look here, I is subtracted from V and X. Okay, and X is subtracted from L and C, and C is subtracted from D and M. Student, I is subtracted from V and X only, not others, and X is subtracted from L and C only, and C is subtracted from D and M only. Don't forget, okay? Here, for example, IV is equal to, you know that, 4, and IX is equal to, we know that, 9. The next one, XL is equal to, here 10 and L indicate 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. The next one, XC, X indicate 10 and C indicate 100. So we get 90. Okay. The next one, CD is equal to, C indicate 100, D indicate 500. So the rule of 3 is 500 minus 100 subtraction. So we get 400. Okay student, D is 500, right? Very important for this rule. Okay, third rule is very important. So IV is equal to 4, IX equal to 9, and XL is equal to 40, and XC is equal to 90. CD is equal to 400. Don't forget. Okay. Another one important, VLD are not subtracted. VLD cannot be subtracted and VLD cannot be repeated. Don't forget, VLD cannot be repeated. VLD is cannot be repeated and VLD cannot be subtracted. That also rule of one of the rule. Okay. The next one, no number can be repeated more than 3 times. Don't forget, no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay. The next rule is between numbers. The next rule is between numbers. Between numbers means smaller number is placed between 2 larger number. Is always subtracted from the larger number on its right. On its right only. Okay. Smaller number is placed between 2 larger number, is always subtracted from the larger number on its right only. Right side of larger number, subtracted smaller number. Okay. Right. For example, XIX. Here I is the smallest number between 2 larger number. So we get X means 10 and 1x, Ix, that is, we know that 9 because 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Okay. Another one example, CXC. Look here, the smaller number is between 2 larger number. So C means 100 and X indicate 10 and C indicate also 100. Here 100 plus 100 minus 10. So we get 100 plus 90. That is 190. Okay student? Don't forget. Right. The next one is Write the Roman number for each of the following Hindu-Arabic number. Okay, write Roman numbers, any Roman numbers, any number in Roman numeral, we write in expanded form first. We write in expanded form first. We know that expanded form? Yes. 49 is, expanded form of 49 is 40 plus 9. Okay. 40 means, look here, 40 means XL. Already told you, 40 means XL. And 9 IX. That is the Roman numeral of the Hindu-Arabic number. Okay. The next one, 199. The expanded form, we write first expanded form. Okay. We write in expanded form first. 100 plus 90 plus 9. Okay, student. Here, 100 means C. C indicate 100 and 90 means XC. Right. XC plus 9 IX. So we get CCIX. Okay. The next one, 256. 256. The expanded form of 256, 200 plus 50 plus 6. Right. 200 means, we know that C indicate 100. So CC, 2 times. Right. Write in 2 times. And 50, in L indicate 50 and 6 is VI. Okay, student? We know that. So, okay. So, totally CCLVI. Right? The next one, 335. Here, 300 plus 30 plus 5. Look, student, 300. 100 means C indicate 100. So 3 times we will write C in 3 times. Okay, C. Conclude at 300. Then 30 means X, and 5 means V. Okay. Then we get CCCXXV. The next one is write the Hindu-Arabic number for each of the following Roman numbers. Okay. Listen. L indicate 50 plus here X indicate 10. We check rules and after we will write 10. And IX means here 9. We know that IX indicate 9. So 50 plus 10 plus 9, that is 69. Okay, student? I repeat it. L indicate 50 and X indicate 10 and IX. And also that rule is subtraction rule and between rules. Here I is smaller number is placed between two larger number. So subtracted from the larger number to on its right. Okay, on its right side. Okay. The next one is C. C indicate 100 and L indicate 50 and here XIX. So X indicate 10 and IX indicate 9. Totally 100 plus 50, 150, 160, 69. So 169. Okay. The next one is C indicate 100 and D indicate 500. Listen. Is it correct? No. Is it wrong? Because CD, the smaller number left of the larger number, is always subtracted from the larger number. So CD means 400. CD means 400. That is 400 plus X means 10, 10 and 10. Right? 3 times. And VIII. We know that VII is 8. That is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We get 8. Totally 438. Is it clear? The next one is meaningless. Okay, here I see. Okay, already I told you LCD cannot be subtracted and no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, more than 3 times. No numeral cannot be repeated. Sorry, cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Don't forget, LCD also, VLD also never subtracted and cannot be repeated. Right? I see. Here, I is 1 and C means 100, and also told you C is I is subtracted from V and X only. Here, this is the smallest number, this biggest number. So larger number, left of the larger number we get subtracted, but I is subtracted from V and X only, not others. So this is meaningless. So you check the rule after you find out. The next one, CI. Here this is 100 and I indicate 1. We get 100 plus 1, 101. Okay student. The next one, VC. VC. Here V indicate 50 and C indicate 100. Already told you VLD never subtracted. Okay, cannot be subtracted. So these also meaningless. The next one, CXXXXVI. Can you guess? This is meaning or meaningless? Yes, meaningless, because 4 times X is written 4 times. Right? Okay student. No numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Here X can be 4 times. So these also meaningless. The next one, CCV. Here C indicate 100 and C indicate 100 and V indicate 5. V indicate 5. That is 200 plus 5. Answer is 205. Right student? The next one is compare. The next one is compare. Here XCII and CXIII. Here XC is 90. So 90 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 93. That is 93. Here CX. C indicate 100 and X indicate 10 and these are 3. Number 3. So 113. So 93 and 113. Which is biggest? S. 113. So we put the symbol less than. Okay. The next one is CC. We get 200 and XX. We get 20. VI. That is 6. So 226. Okay student. Here CC is 200 and XX means 20 and 1x IX means 9. So 229. Which one is biggest? 226 and 229? Yes, 229. So we put a symbol less than. The next one, CD and CCCXC. Right. CD means, here C, already told you, C means 100 and D indicate 500. So we subtracted from the larger number. So 500 minus 100, that is 400. Here CCC. C indicate 100. So we get 300. And XC means 90. Yes. We get 390. Which one is biggest? 400 or 390? Yes, 400. So we put a symbol greater. Okay student? Student, I hope you understood the video. Here, do the sum and try its own. Okay. Thank you. Student, don't forget, study the multiplication table daily and have a written practice daily. Okay. Thank you.